welcome back to class. Now we just finished our warm-up activity looking at the picture of this bamboo house and learning about where it's built, who built it. So what we're going to be doing today is related to this picture you just saw. We're going to be watching a TED Talk about bamboo houses. And while you're watching the talk, you're going to be taking notes, and not just any notes, but notes in the Cornell Notes format. And what is Cornell Notes? That's a great question. Basically, Cornell Notes gives you the opportunity to take notes in a format that makes it clear about your ideas in real time. So as you're watching the talk, you can take down notes. This is your idea in real time. And then after you watch the talk, you can then go back into your notes and find your key points. And lastly, you can do a summary from your ideas in the real time and your key points. This is called the Cornell Notes. And today we're going to learn how to take notes in this format. So before we start to watch the talk, I am going to show you guys how exactly Cornell Notes format looks like and walk you through on how to take some simple notes in this format before we watch the talk. So I just sent everyone a link to a shareable document that has the Cornell Notes in the digital template. So if you can click on the link, you will be able to see this document and you will be able to take notes in the Cornell Notes format from there. Amanda, you have trouble opening up the document? Okay. Make sure that you're signed in onto your Google account. So this is Google Docs and it is shareable to everyone. Okay, I see Sam, you're already on there, as well as Luke. And Amber, you're already on there. Great job. Okay, just making sure everyone gets on there. Oh no, Louisa, you have to restart your computer. Yeah, don't worry, you can restart your computer and come back. We'll give a few minutes, make sure everyone is on there. Everyone is on the same page. Oh, Jonathan, you're helping Nick get on there. Good. See, this is teamwork. And if you have a classmate who is behind, definitely give them a hand and make sure that we're all on the same page. Okay, good. Now I see that everyone is on this document. As you can see, the format is on your left-hand side. You see this whole big space. This is the biggest section of the notes. And you see that this is divided into 3 sections. So this biggest section is for you to take notes that are your ideas in real time. So as you watch the talk, anything that comes to your mind, or key words and phrases that come up, you feel that it's important. I am going to turn the subtitle on so you can look at the words and take notes and your thoughts. And then on the right hand side, you see a narrower column. This is the area where you can take down your key points. Okay, so let's do an example here. So I am going to use today's class as an example. Ideas in real time. Cornell Notes, this might be a convenient way for us to organize our ideas. This takes some hard work and effort. And this is editable by all, so you guys can feel free to write in there and test out how it feels like to write your notes in there. So let's pretend that right now our real time is over, so we go into the key points section. Does anyone want to give it a try on the key points of today? Wow, Amber, I already see you typing up here. You're so fast. And you're right on point. You just typed down all of our lesson objectives and the key points. Yep, it's absolutely on track. I am amazed by what you guys can do here. And Sam, you're also typing in there. Great. Yes, so summary. So what do you think goes into the summary? Summary is organizing the key points and then putting them into paragraph form. Good job, you get this. Great, so keep in mind that this is just an example, and while you're watching the talk, if you feel like there's anything you're missing, it's okay. We are going to have an opportunity later in class for you to watch it again and to fill in anything you're missing. And we're going to be doing some extra activity after you watch the talk too, when you get in groups and share notes with each other. So don't worry if you feel like you're missing anything. Just try your best to follow along the talk and get in as many of your ideas in real time as possible while you're watching it. I hope you all enjoy the talk. Now we're going to start watching.